Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of the residential project that is Godrej Lakeside Orchard, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 15 acres of land parcel with 6 premium towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 25 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of Godrej Lakeside Orchard where you will be getting all the details of the project, and about the land parcel is just on my left hand side where the construction work is going on in full progress. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Harosiddhapura in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And about the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to Shobha Royal Pavilion in 1.3 kilometers, Decathlon Sarjapur is 2.3 kilometers away, and Manipal Hospital is within 7 kilometers of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 50 plus luxurious amenities like of the multi-purpose court, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, cricket pitch and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area, so as mentioned this project is coming up with 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, with 2 BHK starting from 1270 square feet to 1275 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1586 to 1997 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2661 square feet and 4.5 BHK is 2668 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the miniature, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Lakeside Orchard, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.